This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Agnes Serrano. Lovely 4 bedrooms 2 bath 2 car garage home in established community near to schools, shopping expressways. This open floor plan, tile flooring in living areas, laminate flooring in all bedrooms, ceiling fans in all rooms, sliding door overlooks the beautiful backyard, no back neighbors. Community amenities includes pool, gym, tennis court, and basketball court. 640 and above FICO score. Landscaping maintenance, pets control for $!20.00 a month in addition of TH monthly rent. Ring $25 a month. For more information, review the details below or contact Agnes Serrano at 813-928-4638.